Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how you can access your week 3 assignments. So right now I am on our Google Classroom stream page. You are going to click the classwork tab, and right here you will see that it says assignments for week 3, and here's Monday 3/30/20 activities. So it's going to be on Google Slides. So if you click view assignment, then you can access your slides. To get the slides, you're going to go over to your work and click on the slides. And all of the subjects will be listed here. So when you go down, if an assignment is asking you to type in the slide, like on slide 4, all you do is you double click where you want to type. Now let's say if you accidentally delete something, like how I did just there, you can just click this back arrow, and that's the undo button. And then it will bring you back to where you were before you accidentally deleted it. Now let's say if you are done and you finish all of the assignments, you are going to have an option to turn in. So you can click this green turn in button, and that will show that your assignments are done and that I can view them. If you have any questions, you can email me, and I hope everyone has a good week.